Good morning, everyone. It's from grade 2B. My school name is Nes Bobosco. I am studying grade 2B. Today I am going to speak about subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. It helps us to find how many are left. For example, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. We use subtraction in daily life like when we spend money or give something to someone. Subtraction is an important part of math. Thank you.
Very good. What is this?
Good morning everyone. My name is Harvey. I am from grade 2B. My school name is Genius Global School. Today I am going to speak about the three R's. The three R's are reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means make new. Reduce means use less and avoid waste. Reuse. I can.
No problem. No. You can? Yeah, good. Go ahead.
Reuse means use things again. Recycle means make the three R's help us to keep our earth clean and green. Thank you.
Right.
Hey, Moshika. Hello.
Who is Moshika?
Tell
You
me.
only?
Hello. Hello.
What is this?
Reduce, recycle.
Reduce, reuse, triple R.
Recycle.
Recycle. Okay, go ahead.
Both of them same.
Go ahead, dear. Yeah.
Today I'm going to Recycle means making new from old waste. Example, paper, glass, metal, plastic. Waste can be recycled. Recycling keeps our environment clean. Following the three R's reduces pollution, helps to protect nature. Everyone should follow three R's every day. So let us promise today to follow three R's, say no to single-use plastic, keep our earth green and clean.
Very good. Come. Come on. Anima, come here. Honey. Sit ya. Rainwater harvesting. How you are reusing that water? Just storing only?
Again, rain will come. Again, rain will come. Then these can be started from the larger truck. But you can get like all of the that's
Huh? Robo. Oh, so nice. Yeah, explain.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sona from grade 16. Today I am going to explain about water cycle. The water cycle is a process in which water gets evaporated from the earth's surface into the atmosphere, changing into its liquid state called water vapor. And many different processes.
Okay.
The main for the water cycle is the heat from the sun as it evaporates the water from the earth's surface into the atmosphere. Evaporation is the process by which water gets evaporated from the earth's surface into the atmosphere.
Okay.
Water from the ocean, seas, lakes, rivers and ponds and even wet soil evaporates into the air. Higher temperature increases the rate of evaporation. As the water evaporates into the air, it cools down. Due to the temperature decreases with height, forming tiny droplets. This process is called condensation. Condensation can occur in many types such as clouds or fog. Then these tiny droplets form into larger clouds and they eventually fall back on the earth due to gravity. Precipitation can occur in many types such as rain, snow, sleet or rain, depending on the temperature conditions. Transpiration is a process by which plants release water to the tiny openings called stomata present on the water to its root. As the water falls down, it gets collected back on the ocean, ponds and lakes, and some of the water flows to the land surfaces as runoff and falls back onto the seas and rivers. And some of the water seeps into the soil and rocks, which is called groundwater and is used by plants and humans. Now I am going to show
Nice. Yeah.
Thank you.
This one is?
This one is expressions and algebraic expression or equation. So in this we substitute this value to balance it. So first we can get twice. So first we will try x equal to 1 and y equal to 6. There's no signs because when we substitute these values, x equal to 1, so 7x means 7 into x. So if x equal to 1, then 7 into 1 is 7 and y equal to 6. So 4 into y, so 4 into 6 is 24. When we add this two, we get 31, but here the value is 18. So we don't get anything. But when we try on this, the signs because x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So when we substitute these values, so 7 into 2 is 14, 4 into 1 is 4 into 1 is 4. So 14 plus 4 equal to 18. Hence proof.
Good.
And I have also created an so algebraic expressions is a mathematical phrase that help us to calculate daily life scenarios and have a variable. So what are variables? So variables is a letter that represents an unfixed value. Then constants. So constants are individual numbers standing in an expression. Now coefficients. A coefficient is easy to identify as we can see. This is a good example. So if this is a term, so we can easily identify the variable and the coefficient, right? So 7 is the coefficient and x is the variable. These two together form a term. Now, so as we there are four operators in mathematics.
Okay.
So in the two of them join terms, and two of them separate these. So comes to joining. So when it comes to joining, multiplication and division, join two variables and or constants. So suppose there is x and suppose there is 3. So if we are multiplying these two, it becomes 3x. Or we are dividing these two, this becomes 3 by x. And if we are subtracting or adding, it becomes 3 plus x. Now, whole formation of algebraic expression. So it forms with a variable, constant, operator, and a coefficient. Right? So, for example, 6x plus 7y. So this is an example of an algebraic expression, and as we can see, there is no equal to sign. And now terms in an expression. So suppose there is an algebraic expression, it is the head. And terms are the subtitles of the head. So for example, 3x plus 2x, I mean minus 2x.
Minus 2x.
So this is an example of algebraic expression. No equal to sign. Then for this, there are two terms, 3x and 2x. Okay? So 3x is one term and 2x is another term. Now comes factors. So just now we studied terms are subtitles of an expression. So the factors even break down that even like in more detail it breaks down the terms. Now suppose this is an algebraic expression for 4y square minus 4.
Minus 4.
Okay. Now terms are 4y square and 4y. So what does y square mean? Do you know about anything? So y square means y into y.
Y into y.
Means y multiplied by
Double y.
Yeah. So further factors will be 4 into y. So this is y and 2 times y. So because it's square, so 4 into y into y.
Yeah.
Now 4y. So it's easy to understand. So 4y means 4 into y. So 4 and y.
Yeah.
Factorized term. Types of terms. So so these are expressions with only one term.
One term.
So for example, 7x square.
7 square.
Now so these are expressions with two terms.
Yeah.
So for example, 9x plus x square.
X square.
Now trinomial. So these are expressions which have three terms. So for example, a square plus b square plus c square. So there are three terms. For example, 10 plus a square minus 67. So these are having four terms, right? AB is one term, a square is one term, and 67. Four.
Yeah.
Now at the end, I would like to conclude the thing we learned. So algebraic expression help us to understand daily life scenarios and help us to know unknown values and help us to calculate costs and expenses. Thank you.
You are studying grade 7.
Mummy,
He wants to see. Oh. Rain is coming here.
handshake, Mama.
Shake hand. Come on. Shake the hand. Oh, light also. You can write there. Write something there. This can erasable. Give it to him. What is this, yeah? This is blue, this is inverter, ma'am. I made it by using old mosquito bat. I recycled it. So if you turn this on, this light works, ma'am.
Like what?
Yeah. So I connect.
That's all.
Right?
7 or 8
Song.
Song also.
Yeah, a song, anything for movies also.
scrap materials. Mosquito.
From this.
Yeah, from this one.
Oh, Bluetooth is there.
Ah, yes,
no?
ma'am. Bluetooth.
You connected Bluetooth.
Yes, ma'am.
That one is car.
Yes, ma'am. Robot.
Yeah, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. It will be ready.
Okay.
I'm fixing it.
Oh, I forgot it wasn't connected. Hey, Nikhil. See. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
Sit there, da. Why is this card? It's gone and
Okay, one.
ಬಾಯ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೈನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ನೋಡಿ
Entrepreneurs usually appear at the beginning of an and work indicates how general aspects. So there are totally 4 types of articles. Articles is used to indicate how general aspects speak. She is the moon is bright to light. The is used for some specific thing like moon, sun, like that. The basic component. Now let us know about demonstrators. Demonstrators is used for point outing things or people, which is near or far. So there are 4 main articles. 4 main demonstrators are this, that, these, those. Now it's about possessive. Possessive is used for possession or ownership, like mine, yours, its, hers, his. Example: my friend is waiting over there. Those are few examples of possessive. Then it's about quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to indicate quantity, like many, much, few, little, every. There isn't much noise in the class. A few water is left in the glass. There isn't much coffee left in the pot. That is quantifier. Why?
Yeah.
What are the 4 types of determinants?
Articles, possessive, and something is there. Quantifiers and possessive.
Quantifiers and demon.
Something is there, no? Demonstrator.
Then what about 3 minutes?
Right, one step right now.
Then quantifiers.
Means quantities you can measure.
Few examples for demonstrators.
Like
And what are the 4 demonstrators?
these, those, that, this, right now.
Exactly.